Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Danielle, aka Stitcherista here on YouTube, and today is a very exciting day because I was able to get my unicorn Lego kit. And by unicorn, I mean the one kit that was retired that I really wanted, that I have had an eBay search for quite a while now, ever since, I would say 2 months. And if you saw the title of the video, it is the Lego Typewriter. Now, this box is giant. Look how big this is. So I was able to get this on eBay. And I was able to get it for only $40 over retail, which I thought was fantastic because I have seen this listed on eBay for double the price that was on the Lego website. It did retire at the end of 2024, so it is not going to be restocked on the Lego website. So although I am not putting this together quite yet, I wanted to unbox it for you because this is most likely the biggest kit that I own. I mean, and it's so awesome. I've seen it put together. It's amazing. I'm very blessed to have been able to get this. And I watched the auction for a week and I put in a bid where there was only like 15 minutes left and no one outbid me. It was something because, like I said, I have seen listings for this insane prices. Yeah, I paid enough for this. But yeah, I'm going to flip the camera around and we're going to open this up. And I'm going to try to open it up pretty gingerly. Okay, there's tape. Because I want to be able to tape this back up because I'm not going to be putting it together yet. So let me pause, get you facing down, and we will take a look at this kit. Okay, so here is the kit. This has 2,079 pieces. Holy moly. A lot of pieces. All right, we are going to gingerly, there's a little, you know, the box is a little bit worn. That's okay. We are going to very gently cut the tape on this so I can open it. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Now, what's funny, let me get all the bags out and then we'll chat because like I said, I've had a search for this. Let's just try to do it this way because I'm going to have to get all this back. Good God, that is a manifesto. Look at that. I'm going to have to get this all back in the box. Woo! That is a lot of stuff. Lot. Okay. Holy moly. Lots of bags. So let's figure out how many bags there are. I can probably open this bad boy up and figure that out. So let's very gently, I say, crack this open. And when I say manifesto, I am not joking. Like, this is a thick folder of stuff. Okay. Oh my God, it's like a catalog. Wow. Okay. Alrighty. So there is actually a sticker that I'm guessing goes on it. What is this? Oh, so this is the okay, this is so awesome. You can actually put this piece of paper in the typewriter, and they have printed it in a bunch of different languages. Like you can see, look how many it is. Lots and lots of languages. That's amazing. That's so awesome. So I'm guessing the very first one is English. And so it also gives you directions on how to get the paper out. So yeah, 43 different languages. That's amazing that they included that. 43 different languages. And then this bad boy, I mean, look at that. What are we, what? The instructions. Wow. Okay. Indulge in your passions for the art of creative writing and classic design as you build, then find that special place for your Lego typewriter. Thomas Kirk Christensen, chairman of the Lego Group and representative of the fourth generation of the owner family, saw this set as a fun opportunity to write a letter to the dedicated Lego Ideas fans. Very, very cool. So they give you the history of the typewriter. Very cool. And then you just start building. So does it show you? Okay, so there are 11 bags altogether. Is that it? Why is that not? What's nice is they list all the pieces in the back too. But is it just 11? There's what it looks like completed. You can actually hit the key, the register moves, all of that. I mean, this is like, dude. 11 bags. Let's say 2. That must be, I don't know. There's no number on that one. Okay, there's 2 4s. There's 2 1s. 10, 7, 5, 6, 9, 7. So all together, let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, there's the keys. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 bags total of pieces. I can't wait to do this one. Once I am done the current kit I am putting together, I may have to do this just because it was just the kit I really, really wanted. And it's so amazing that I was able to get it. I'm so utterly pleased. Do any of you have this? Have you put it together? It is going to be quite the challenge. I enjoy doing Lego so much. I never would have imagined that I would have loved it as much as I did. So that just goes to show that trying something new, you can find a new love. So I will have to do a video once I start this, and maybe I'll do some Lego with me or something like that. We'll see. But I just wanted to show you guys the different bags and the book and all of that. So, as always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.